winter storm warnings this evening are in effect from Indianapolis into Boston as the first major snowstorm of the 1996 season gets underway and intensifies. Good evening, I'm Terry Smith. Thanks for joining us. And we're taking a look at a fairly expansive storm here, which, as you can see, is affecting right now the middle Mississippi Valley on into the Ohio Valley, but also areas of the Northeast and New England beginning to feel the wintry wrath of this storm. And even down into the southeast today, it's been a rather severe thunderstorm type day with tornadoes having touched down possibly in South Carolina earlier this evening. What you're seeing here is a live shot out of Newton, Massachusetts, and obviously it's very dark there, and the traffic apparently not having any problems getting around today. Even earlier today during the rush hour, there didn't appear to be any difficulties, though the light snow has been falling most of the day. We've only seen accumulations running from about 1 to 2 inches, and the problems really probably won't be so much tonight as later on tonight and tomorrow morning, and it could be very, very tricky out there for folks in Massachusetts come tomorrow. Well, in Columbus, Ohio today, the snow began to mix with some sleet and freezing rain at times throughout the day, and we have some scenes here of folks trying to get around and drive in this kind of scenario. This evening, we do have reports in Ohio and Indiana of travel not being recommended. Many of the secondary roads are closed, and not only contributing to the rough road conditions, the snowfall, but also the winds, 20 to 30 mile an hour winds expected there. The story was much the same in southern Illinois in Carbondale, where commuters found themselves driving throughout falling snow, and the city snow plows were out there helping to clear the way. The snow is expected to accumulate between 3 to 5 inches, and as it will continue to fall through the nighttime tonight. The snow also caused problems throughout much of the region, bringing down power lines with its weight in Fort Smith, Arkansas last night, and forcing some motorists to abandon their cars this morning. About 2 inches of snow is on the ground now, and most of it fell last night, actually, and we've just been looking at some lighter snow accumulations today. But snow is widespread today, this evening, from the Missouri area on through the Ohio Valley. And as we check out the latest radar, you can see in St. Louis, we're still dealing with snowfall, about 6 inches on the ground. Indianapolis, winter storm warning for you, as you can see perhaps as much as 5 inches of snow to accumulate. Most of what you're seeing here is snowfall, though we do have rain in central and southern areas of Kentucky down into Tennessee and parts of western Virginia. And it looks like it's going to pretty much persist through the evening hours tonight. So we take you into New England and the Northeast. You can see the snowfall here has been generally on the light side. Boston's been seeing light snow most of the day, only an inch or two generally being reported. We've got some snow around New York City, around Manhattan. Down into Philadelphia, however, we've got some warm air here, and it's mainly been rainfall, and it has been rain for Baltimore and D.C., so that's the good news for the Beltway area. Shouldn't have any real serious problems there. But Philly, you eventually will see some of this changing over to snowfall a little later on. And then, as we check out how much snow we're anticipating as far as snow is generally to the north of this storm, but we've got a lot of rain and fog from the mid-Atlantic region down into the southeast. That region's in the warm air sector for the time being, and with that...
Miami Beach, the water temperature there, 75 degrees.